Everyone, Mata here. So if you missed out on my eyebrows and my eyeshadow tutorials, please go back and check out these beautiful eyebrows and detailed eyeshadow tutorials. I didn't want my video to be too long, so I decided to just take my time to explain how to do the perfect brows and how to achieve this beautiful eyeshadow step by step and detailed. So please don't forget to go back so you learn one or two things from that beautiful video. In this video, I'll be giving you detailed step by step how I achieved this beautiful body soft glam. Yes, so if you know you've been wondering how did I achieve this beautiful body look, in this video stay tuned and watch to the end and you'll be learning how we achieve that beautiful body look. First off, I went in with my moisturizer. First, before you go in with your moisturizer, I used my wipes to clean my face and wipe my face to get rid of any oil on my face. Then I went in straight with my Cetaphil moisturizer. Every product I use, I'll be showing you guys the products I use. These are drugstore products and they are very good and also affordable as well. Now I'll just go straight in with my primer. After applying my moisturizer, I just let it sit for like 60 seconds, blow dry it just 60 seconds. Then I went in straight with my mattifier, my mattifying primer rather, and I'll be applying this on my T-zones in the places I sweat more and use my fan to just blow it out before I go straight to putting in my foundation. If you missed out on my foundation, how to achieve a non-cakey flawless foundation, you can also go back to my video and check out that detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve a non-cakey foundation. And yes, you're going to learn a lot from that video, so don't worry to go back and check it out. When it comes to foundation, most of the times you don't have to use too much. Yes, you just I mean, for me, I think most of the times a little goes a long way for me. I don't have to just, have all the foundations on my face, and I think a little goes a long way. Just stay tuned to this channel and the video. You are going to learn a lot from it. Now you can see the way I'm applying my foundation on our eyeshadow already. So since we already cut that sharp edge, so when you're applying your foundation around those edges, you have to take your time and not rush it too much. You have to take your time more. If you're a beginner, don't mind the fact that I'm fast. That's because so if you're a beginner, take your time and don't rush it. Now I'll be going in with that pink blush. Yes, and I'll just press it into my skin, and I went ahead to apply more of that blush. Yes, and gently blend it into my skin. Don't forget, the aim is to achieve a very beautiful body soft glam, and when it comes to your body soft glam, your blush matters a lot. Guys, I'm so sorry for my concealer. I didn't know my phone wasn't recording, and by the time I discovered, I've already blended out my concealer already, but that's not a problem. I also have tutorials on that. You can always go back and watch that. So now we'll just go straight in with our pressed powder. You can use your setting powder to do this, but I prefer to use my pressed powder for it. When doing this, you want to take your time and not be in a haste too much, because the aim is to not achieve it's not to lift your product. So just take your time and just apply your pressed powder gently on your face. Now just go straight ahead and use my pressed powder again to do my dry contour. So I'm doing dry contour I don't know. For the most part, I prefer to do dry contour. It just works for me better. Everybody has what works for them, and I honestly love to do dry contour. So this is me just doing my dry contouring. Yes. If you have any question, guys, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I'll be answering each and every one of you on any single question. Now for our body look, you want to go in with your blush. You want to be very generous with your blush, trust me. Now we'll just go straight ahead and just do our baking. Yes, and use my setting powder to bake, and make sure that I'm pressing that setting powder inside the skin, because first of all, I have oily skin, like I have serious oily skin, so I love to use my setting powder to press in that setting powder into my skin properly. Up next, we'll be doing our lips. Yes, so for this beautiful look, I'll be using that same palette that served as my blush. Yeah, when you have palettes like that, your lip palette can also serve as your blush palette. In case you don't have to start spending maybe extra money to get a blush palette, but the palette can serve for both purposes. I'm just trying to make sure that I line my lips. yes, I line it properly, and to give it that depth, and I'm making sure that I am satisfied with what I am getting before I move into the next one. You guys check out this glam, it's giving everything it should give. So now just go straight in with this shade from my same lipstick palettes, and I'm going to just use this and blend it out properly. Like I said, just follow this video and you're good to go. And one of my talk, or one of my popular talk, is practice makes perfect, and once you keep practicing, you can always come back to this video. If you want to go out, just follow it step by step, and honestly, you're good to go. Don't forget, my eyebrows tutorials is in my previous post, and same with the eyeshadow tutorials. You can always check that out. If you're not new to this channel, you know, for the most part, I hardly do lashes. Yes, guys. But trust me, if you're on lashes with this look, you're going to slay. You're going to slay like real time, big time. So I'll just go in with my mascara for my bottom lashes and my upper lashes. I'll just use mascara for this. But please, like I said, feel free to use lashes. It's going to pop better. So trust me, if I had used lashes there, it would have been fantastic. So this is Mega Impact Lash mascara. That is what I use to create that volume on my natural eyelash. Now I'll just go straight ahead and just push my setting powder into my skin and make sure that that setting powder is sitting perfectly well in my skin, or on my skin rather. In all you do, don't forget that blending matters a lot when it comes to makeup. You're blending your skin work, it matters a lot. So always take your time to blend out a product before going into the next one. You can see how I'm taking my time to press the setting powder and make sure that everything is blending into each other and everything is looking seamless. Now I just went straight ahead to use another bright powder for my under eyes. Like we said, we're trying to achieve a beautiful body finish. Now we'll go in with a pressed powder, but a little bit, just few shades brighter, a shade brighter than my skin tone, and just make sure that I am giving it that perfect finish and satisfied at what I am looking at. Went ahead and set, and after setting, just allow it to dry. Don't forget, for that beautiful cute finish, you always have to use lip gloss. It's not compulsory, but it just gives you that cute body finish. Yes, so I'll be going in with my lip gloss and just line my lips, like my lipstick rather. So lip gloss too are very vital for you to achieve that cute body finish makeup. If you've not subscribed to this channel, honestly, I don't know what you are waiting for. Hurry up, subscribe, like, share, comment, and turn on post notifications to get notified for our beautiful videos that are coming up. You'll be learning so much from this channel, so do not miss out. Guys, that's basically it for this beautiful body soft glam. Yes, tell me what you like about this look, and let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this beautiful look. I love it. Let me just take few minutes or a minute to just appreciate this beauty, guys. I love it. The hair, the look, the skin tone, I love everything. It's giving. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.